Magic 89.9.
Naranasan niyo na ba yung gumising kayo ng hapon, tapos hindi ka naman malungkot, hindi ka naman din masaya, parang, pero ang bigat ng pakiramdam mo, hindi mo alam kung saan siya nanggagaling. And sa buhay, meron tayong part na talagang mararanasan mo yon na bakit ko nga ba pinagdadaanan tong bagay nito, bakit ako nandito, bakit ko kasama tong mga tao na to. Minsan hindi mo siya maintindihan sa ngayon. Pero this song na kakantayin namin next is it says na yes, there's uncertainty in life, but you still have to continue. Kailangan mo pa rin magpatuloy despite ng mga bagay na hindi mo naiintindihan. Kasi eventually, di ba, maintindihan mo siya. Alam mo yun, alam ko marami na sa atin yung dumaan ka sa moment na nasabi mo, kaya pala nangyari yun. Kaya pala. So, kailangan mo lang magpatuloy. So, this song sana gusto nyo, makarelate kayo, and abangan nyo po yan sa mga streaming platforms. This song is Uncertainty.
Sky, heart is beating so loud, and I don't know why I don't have the words to say. I just wanna live today. After all, I don't know this feeling inside my chest. Di ko maintindihan ang aking nararamdaman. Think about the days that pass by and the days na dadaan sa aking buhay. Still I'll be left wondering why. Pilitin ko man ang isip, tanong ko hanggang sa panaginip ay paano kung ang kahapon ay dito pa rin, at di ko alam kung paano ko haharapin ang kinabukasan. Susubukan ko pa rin araw tanawin nung maliwanagan kahit di managaran. I don't know this feeling inside my chest. Di ko maintindihan ang aking nararamdaman. Think about the days that pass by and the days na dadaan sa aking buhay. Sa aking buhay. Still I'll be left wondering why. I don't know this feeling.
Di ko
I don't know this
maintindihan
feeling.
aking
I don't know
nararamdaman.
this feeling. Still I'll be left wondering why. Think about the days that pass by
Di ko
and the days na
maintindihan
dadaan sa aking buhay. Still I'll be left wondering why.
1, 2, 3.
Think about the days that pass by and the days na dadaan sa aking buhay. Still I'll be left wondering why.
This feeling, I don't know this feeling.
Still I'll be left wondering why.
Yan, thank you so much.
Magic 89.9.